Hi there, Puzzle Guy is here with a new puzzle for you. This time I have tricky numbers puzzle. It's made out of bamboo. It has 11 parts. The biggest part is the tray, and 10 parts are the tricky numbers which you have to pack inside this tray. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10. It takes about 30 minutes if you're lucky enough to solve this puzzle, and up to, I don't know, 2-4 hours to solve it. I didn't find any logical explanation how to solve this puzzle, so in my opinion the only way to solve it is just to try different combinations, how to put the numbers so to fill the whole tray. For example, you can take number 8, put number 5, then for example number 9. That's how you can fill the whole tray. But when you do it, on one point there's gonna be a problem when you can't fit all other parts. For example, right now I don't have space to put the 1, 7 and 2. So you have to find this right combination. What I don't like about this puzzle is that it goes already packed, so you can see the solution. But if you are not so lazy and you want to solve it by yourself, I hope you're not gonna remember how all these parts were inside the tray, and you're gonna find solution by yourself. Also, in box goes the solution on a paper, so don't use it as well if you want to solve it by yourself. And if you want to buy this puzzle, I will put a link in the description where you can do it. It's not very expensive puzzle. The price of it is about $10 to $15. If you want to see the solution of this puzzle, you can keep watching the video. But if you don't want to spoil all the fun trying to solve this puzzle by yourself, stop watching now. First, what I want to show you, these 3 numbers. As you can see, all of them have this one side where there is no any gaps and cutouts. So you can imagine that these parts has to be somewhere close to the edge of the tray. And that's true. You have to, but not all the parts, because one of these numbers supposed to go inside the 0. So it can be 1, or it can be number 7. And in our case it's number 7, and number 1 goes down here. As you can see, this one is the only logic that I found, and these parts are close to the edge. The next, you have to put number 9 here, and then number 3 on the top. There is no other numbers that can fit here, only number 3. So the next one, number 8 in this corner, and next goes number 4 between 8 and this part. Then you can put the number 5 right here, and now you're left with only 2 numbers. It's number 2 and number 9. So that's how you solve this puzzle. There are 4 different combinations how to solve this puzzle. They're not different, they are exactly the same, but they are mirrored combinations. So if you take all these numbers out and put this number 0, 7 and 1 on this corner, so you will have the same combination but mirrored. Also, what you can change here is take these 2 numbers, 9 and 5, and these 9 and 3, and switch their sides. So 9 and 5 goes there, and 3 and 9 goes here. So it give you some more different solutions. But actually it's almost one and the same solution for this puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to see more different wooden puzzles, click somewhere here. If you like my video, press like. Don't forget to press subscribe to see more of my puzzle videos, and hit the bell button to be notified every time I upload new video.